What's up, family? Welcome back to Truth Video USA. I am Q, and Judge Cannon continues to do the right thing and amaze me. I'm not used to judges that actually follow the law and actually are fair, and she has been everything and that. I'm telling you, this woman definitely needs to be on the Supreme Court at some point, hopefully soon. But she has been absolutely phenomenal, guys, and I'm thankful for her. So she has ruled in Trump's favor and has decided to stay two very, very important deadlines in the case. One on the 8th of July, the other on the 10th of July. That were supposed to be hearings, and she has put those on the sideline because she is weighing what the Supreme Court said as it pertains to immunity, but she's also weighing the argument that Jack Smith is not, as I reported earlier, is not a legal appointee. Now, several of you guys asked the question about Trump actually appointing a special counsel. Yes, Trump appointed Durham, but Durham was also a U.S. attorney. The argument is not whether or not the attorney general has the right to appoint a special counsel. The question is, who can do that? It has to be typically a U.S. attorney, because U.S. attorneys are always appointed, and then they are confirmed by the Senate, which means de facto the American people, through their representatives, actually have a say in who is going to be a U.S. attorney. The Senate always has the ability to overturn that or to deny that appointment. They didn't get that ability with the current Jack Smith. They weren't allowed or even given that option. Merrick Garland unilaterally just appointed this guy who's never held an office of Attorney General, never been in that position, never been confirmed by anyone, and we know why. He wanted to get someone who he could have a little bit of control, but also give them carte blanche authority to just go and find a crime and give them unlimited money to do so. If he were under the jurisdiction of the Congress, they would have the ability to control funds. Now, the interesting situation that we're dealing with, in addition to this, is the fact that in this particular case, many people have said, why doesn't she just throw this thing out and save us all the trouble? As I thought about this, I don't know that that's a great idea. Number one, we've been able to expose a lot of corruption, including but not limited to the fact that the FBI went in with an intention to do harm to President Trump. In addition to that they may or may not have, well, we know that they staged evidence, and we also know that they shut off the cameras and had several moments of undocumented time in Mar-a-Lago. So we don't know which documents were there prior to them getting there and which ones were there after they got there, if you guys catch my drift. But in addition to that, I believe that Judge Cannon might be looking at this case and saying, if I dismiss this case too early, Jack Smith is going to bring it, or one just like it, again in another courtroom. So I believe that if she's trying to do the best thing for America, not Donald Trump, the best thing for America, she's letting this thing play out as long as possible, because Jack Smith has already said if she throws it out or if she rules against him, he is going to find a loophole. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know your thoughts about her throwing the case out. I will see you guys next time. Be blessed.